He looked charming, intelligent, and harmless, but behind that smile hid a darkness so deep it shocked an entire nation. Welcome to part 4 of our mystery series. Today, we dive into the chilling life of Ted Bundy, the law student who became one of America's most notorious serial killers. Born in 1946, Theodore Robert Bundy seemed ordinary at first glance. A bright student, polite, charismatic, the kind of person people would trust instantly. But beneath this facade, Bundy's mind harbored secrets too dark to imagine. He preyed on innocent women, luring them with charm and confidence. Neighbors, classmates, and even family were unaware of the monster living among them. Bundy's ability to manipulate, to appear normal, became one of his deadliest weapons. Over the course of the 1970s, Bundy's crimes spanned multiple states, leaving a trail of victims and terror. Authorities struggled to piece together the pattern of his attacks, as his methods were cunning and elusive. He would approach young women in public places, pretending to be injured or needing help. Trusting him, they followed and were never seen alive again. Even when law enforcement closed in, Bundy's audacity shocked the nation. He escaped custody not once, but twice. Each escape was meticulously planned, almost cinematic in execution, showing the cunning mind of a criminal mastermind. In the courtroom, Bundy shocked everyone again, representing himself with confidence and intelligence. His arrogance was chilling. He played the system, manipulating the court, the jury, and even the media. Yet, despite his charm and legal maneuvers, the evidence was undeniable. Slowly, the truth surfaced. The full horror of his crimes became clear. Bundy's trials became a spectacle, watched across the nation, as people tried to understand how someone could appear so normal, yet commit such unimaginable atrocities. Ultimately, justice caught up. Ted Bundy was executed in 1989, ending his reign of terror. But his story remains a haunting reminder that evil can hide behind a smile. Even decades later, Bundy's life continues to fascinate and terrify, inspiring studies in psychology, criminology, and the dark recesses of human behavior. If you've watched this far, you already know the chilling truth about Ted Bundy. But here's something important. 94% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Subscribing helps us continue creating these in-depth mystery stories. Hit the subscribe button now and join us for the next part of our mystery series coming soon. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to never miss an episode. Part 5 will take you even deeper into the world of unsolved mysteries and dark human secrets.